Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to check out the Roku Premier 4K and HDR streaming device. I was walking through Walmart the other day, just looking for, last minute gift items. And I came across this device sitting in the bins. They were $40. So I said, why not? I haven't had a Roku device in many, many years. And I don't know what it's about anymore. So I said, let's check it out. Curiosity got the best of me. So as you can see here, it's the Roku Premier HD 4K HDR. It says 4K and HDR streaming made easy. And simple remote and premium HDMI cable included. And let's see some of the apps that are available on this device: Roku channel, Disney Plus, Apple TV, Sky News, Crunchyroll, Hey Paramount Plus, Netflix, Crave, Rakuten Viki. Do not know what that is. I gotta check that out. CBC, Bloomberg Media, River, Red Bull TV, Happy Kids, plus thousands more. All right, so on the side here, it says easy to set up, HDMI plug-in, connect to internet, Roku start streaming. All right, works with Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit, and works with Hey Google. On the back, it says incredible picture, exceptional value, enjoy free live TV plus search across top channels, 4K picture and HD color, smooth Wi-Fi, premium HDMI cable. I wonder what smooth Wi-Fi means. Okay, so what else does it say here? Tech specs: 4K HDR 1080p 720p up to 60 frames, quad-core processor, 802.11bgn single band Wi-Fi. All right, so that's pretty much it. And the last thing, what's included: Roku Premier, Roku with preset channel shortcut buttons, 2 AAA batteries, USB power cable, power adapter, and premium HDMI cable. All right, let's open this box up and see exactly what's in it. Let's see if this is a difficult box or an easy box to get into. So far, it seems pretty easy. I like the packaging. It's very nice. It's very neat. Definitely like the packaging. So, quick start guide. I'll keep that since I haven't had a Roku device in a while. I'll just skim through that. Looks like they got a Roku sticker. I love Roku. Pretty cool. A little Apple-esque, if you ask me. And I guess warranty and fine print about automatic software updates, etc. Okay, so let's see the power brick. Put that off to the side. Looks like the HDMI cables they were talking about. Okay, not bad. And this looks like the power. So micro USB to USB-A. Nothing special there. Nothing else in this box. Okay, so here's the remote. Pretty simplistic, very nice designed remote, I might say. I like the layout. Looks like a back button, home button, up, down, right, left, okay in the center. Not sure what these buttons are for. I gotta read the manual for that. Rewind, fast forward, play, pause, and dedicated Netflix, Roku, Apple TV Plus, and Crave. So it looks like it takes its two AAA batteries. Put those in a minute. And here's the actual device. What is this? I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of sticker. All right, we'll keep that handy just in case. This is a very tiny device. Wasn't expecting it to be this small. I guess this just sits in front of the TV or something. It doesn't stick into the back of the TV like a Fire TV stick or a Google TV. So on the back here, it shows reset, the USB, the micro USB in, and the HDMI in. And take the sticker off. A very simple device. I'm very curious to see what this does. I'm assuming this is a sticker to place under this, and this could probably stick on the side of the TV or at the base of the TV, like that. So we shall see. I will be going through the setup of this Roku Premiere. You'll be joining me on my very first Roku device in many, many, many years. So if you stick around, I'll be going through the setup of this Roku Premiere. Stay tuned. Be right back. All right, let's get started with the setup of the Roku Premiere. Let's see how easy or simplistic this might be. All right, after a software update and me entering my Wi-Fi credentials, we are at auto detect display. So let's see what's going to happen. The colors might change on the back of my TV because this remote is controlling my LEDs for some reason, but bear with me. Okay, so your HDMI connection, 4K at 60 frames, 4K content protection, 4K HDR10 at 30 frames per second. This HDMI connection can play video at resolutions up to 4K HDR, except for channels that require 4K HDR at 60. Okay, so force output to automatic. Cancel. Let's force output to automatic. Display type set to keep auto detect. Is the screen displaying correctly? Yes, it looks good. There's the color change that I was talking about. Activate your Roku player. Enter your email address to get a Roku activation link and start streaming. Already have a Roku account? Enter the email that you used when you set up your account. I can't remember what I set up many, many years ago. So bear with me as I enter my email address. Okay, so I just finished setting it up on my phone and it's proceeding to download default apps. So let's see what happens after all these apps are downloaded. All right, so it looks like it's all done. I'm gonna hit right or okay. Let's hit okay. Oh, that's not working. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's just going through a tutorial on how to use the remote. Funny, this remote doesn't have a mic. So I don't know how I'm going to make choices. I guess that's why this box cost $40. No voice search. Interface looks almost the same as it used to back in the day, but this backdrop looks a little different. So let's see what we have here. It's pretty smooth to navigate. Let's see what YouTube does and looks like. I hope that's just a one-time load. I hope it doesn't take that long to load every time. The interface looks kind of old school to me. It doesn't look as modern as, say, the Google TV interface. It's not bad though. Let's go back. Let's hit the home button. I do like that backdrop though. Looks pretty cool. This interface, in my opinion, is too old school. They didn't change much from when I used to have a Roku device. So I'm not very impressed with this interface. Let's see if I add a channel. Let's add Tubi. Add channel. I agree. Channel added. Go to channel. Other than that, it looks and feels like all the other sticks and devices out there, other than this interface. That's the only knock I'm gonna have on it. But other than that, it feels very fluid. It's very quick. I don't notice any delays or lag. Let's see if I can add one more channel. What's the Roku channel? Go to channel. Let's check it out. Keep in mind, this is the Canadian edition of the Roku Premiere. So what you see here might be slightly different than what my friends over in the US might see. So we got live TV happening here. I won't click on any of these because of the YouTube copyright protection. Might flag it. Let's see what we could do in the settings. Let's hit the home button. Let's see what we have in settings here. So network, remote and devices. Set up a new device. You can change the theme. Display type. 4K HDR at 30 frames. I'm not sure why I can't do 4K 60. But I guess it's a limitation of this device. All right, well, that's a simple, quick walkthrough and setup of the Roku Premiere. Please, if you have any questions, please leave comments below. Please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more content. So that was the setup of the Roku Premiere 4K HDR device. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the interface. Let me know how you like the ease of use. Let me know if you like the fluidity of the user interface. Leave comments. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. And as always, thank you for joining me in the isolation chamber. This is Texelated, isolated with technology, and I'll see you on the next one.